Exiled Tibetan spiritual leader, the Dalai Lama, holds a prayer session in southern India for victims of powerful earthquake that struck Tibet's Shigadze prefecture on January 7. The 7.1 magnitude earthquake killed scores of people and damaged thousands of homes. Meanwhile, hundreds of Tibetans living in exile held a candlelight vigil for earthquake victims in the northern India hill town of Dharamsala and in many other places in India, Nepal, North America, and Europe. China's military has released aerial footage showing the extent of damage to buildings from the earthquake. The video captured from a helicopter shows some buildings reduced to rubble. Authorities have moved more than 47,000 people to shelters in Tibet, according to Chinese officials. Chinese officials have announced an end to search and rescue operations, but sources told RFA that local Tibetans are continuing rescue efforts in villages.